Hello everyone, myself Pragati and I'm a student of CMR University and I just completed my second sem and especially today I completed my second DT course which is design thinking. It's been a pleasure to be a part of it because there's a lot of things which we go through in this process, finding out a problem which we want to focus on and then just not the problem we're going to focus on, like if you take the project which I took recently which is fast fashion. So in that, fast fashion is a very major part. So in that we came to a similar part, like smaller problems inside the fast fashion, and we came to a part where the clothes are not being dumped properly. So that's how design thinking process takes us through, which does not only make us focus on the bigger problem, but also on the smaller part. So that's how DT is. It's not only about the problems which we are going to face, it's also about solution which we are going to come out from the problems which we chose. And all this process, the teachers guide us through it and they give us different types of assignments and different types of courses or the guidance for us so that we can do it properly and go through their agenda. So it has been a very good pleasure. We learned a lot, especially when it comes to teamwork, because it's not the same way as we used to do it in school, because school would be like you would sit together, draw, do it, but over here everyone has their own life, so it's very hard to get everyone together, make things work. At the end it's just 2 or 3 out of 6 people making the work and everyone gets the credit. So that's how it goes. But over here, if there is any problem or anything, if we say to our teachers, they would understand and grade us equally. It's a point where we come up with this problem which is not exactly a bigger one. So our engineering is not only about, as a computer science student, it's not only about computers, coding and everything. It's all about everything else. So it's beyond that. So it's all about understanding the problem and going through it. And the second one is the teamwork. Teamwork is really hard because everyone needs to cooperate and all. But even in that situation, we need to come up with, being patient enough and talking it out if there is any problem. So teamwork is also a bigger part which we learned here. And third part is the solution part, where we have to brainstorm a lot because you get multiple solutions to a single problem, but you should be able to know what is the correct one and which is going to be implemented. If it is implemented in the society, is it going to be proper or is it going to work at all or is not at all going to work? So that's the main 3 things which I personally learned. So being, as you can see, our innovation center is pretty massive. At the same time, it's colorful. It's where different kinds of objects like longer chairs, smaller chairs and cushion chairs and like many. So by this we could sometimes get inspiration, like different kinds of ideas or anything. But to be a part of this, working in a space gives you a piece of, excitement or something, because if you do it in a simple 4-walled boring place, you would not feel that motivated. But over here, there are a lot of things, like there is a 3D printer if you really want to work on your prototype, and there are like lots of things. There are even a TV projector where you could display all the things. So it's a very great place to work at.
First of all, the discipline of design thinking, make our projects and work done, creativity level and all that. We get an idea of